The 1983 £1 coin from the United Kingdom holds a special place in British numismatic history as the first £1 coin ever issued for general circulation. Struck in nickel-brass alloy, this coin replaced the £1 banknote, which had become too costly and short-lived for continued production. Weighing 9.5 grams, with a diameter of 22.5 millimeters and a thickness of 3.15 millimeters. The coin features a yellow-gold color, a round shape, and a distinctive milled edge with an incuse inscription, giving it both visual and tactile character. The edge inscription reads, Decus et tutamon, K, Latin phrase meaning an ornament and a safeguard. Originally used on coins to prevent edge clipping, a clever blend of tradition and modernity. The obverse of the coin features the second definitive portrait of Queen Elizabeth II, designed by Arnold Mackin, which had been introduced in 1968 and used on decimal coins until 1984. In this portrait, Her Majesty is shown wearing the girls of Great Britain and Ireland tiara. And the legend around the effigy reads, Elizabeth 2D G Reg FD 1983, which stands for Elizabeth II, by the grace of God, Queen, Defender of the Faith. The reverse design, created by Eric Sewell, then the chief engraver at the Royal Mint, features a bold and powerful image of the royal arms of the United Kingdom, a quartered shield supported by a crowned English lion on the left and a chained Scottish unicorn on the right, topped with the royal crown. This heraldic design, highly detailed and steeped in royal symbolism, represents the United Kingdom as a whole and evokes authority, unity, and tradition. Around the reverse is the denomination £1 in uppercase serif font. The use of the royal arms for the coin's first year was intentional, underscoring that the £1 coin was a national standard, not specific to any region of the UK. In subsequent years, 1984 to 1987, reverse designs reflected the individual nations of the UK, Scotland, Wales, Northern Ireland, and England, rotating annually. But 1983 remained uniquely all-encompassing and formal. The 1983 £1 coin was struck only for circulation and collector sets, and its mintage was around 443,053,510, making it relatively common in general terms. However, a notable variety exists. Some uncirculated collector sets released by the Royal Mint included a 1983 £1 coin with a plain edge missing the Decus et tutamon inscription. This variety is extremely rare and highly prized by collectors, often selling for hundreds or even thousands of pounds when authenticated. Most circulated coins have the inscribed edge. Over time, many 1983 £1 coins became worn or damaged due to heavy use. And in 2017, with the introduction of the new 12-sided bimetallic £1 coin, the older round £1 coins, including the 1983 issue, were demonetized and ceased to be legal tender after October 15, 2017. Despite this, they retain considerable value for collectors due to their historical importance. From a numismatic perspective, the 1983 £1 coin is valued based on condition, variety, and whether it comes from a special set. A standard circulated coin may fetch around £1 to £3 GBP, while uncirculated or proof versions, especially an original Royal Mint occasion, can command £10 to £25 or more. The rare plain edge error can sell for hundreds to over £500, depending on the market and verification. The coin is not only a landmark in the evolution of British currency, but also a key item for collectors of decimal and modern British coinage. It marked a turning point in public interaction with currency, introducing coins for higher denominations and phasing out fragile paper money. Its strong brass composition, intricate heraldry, and royal portrait make it an enduring symbol of early 1980s Britain, reflecting the authority of the monarchy and the innovation of the Royal Mint during the reign of Queen Elizabeth II.